placed a bunch of golden tickets into 5 separate boxes, and somehow they all ended up at Blue Cross. How does this happen?
When the boxes near each other?
Irrelevant.
I put 3 pallets on a truck to Blue Cross once a week. They use a lot of paper.
Okay, I'm going to ask you something, and I want you to be honest. What is a pallet?
Hello my friends, welcome to this second video about the subject of dismantling pallets. In the first video I've already mentioned the weather conditions and shown you the different tools needed, as well as how to dismantle a 4-way pallet, meaning a pallet with 3 boards on the bottom held by central blocks. In the present video I'm showing you how to dismantle a 2-way pallet. The 2-way pallets are the ones on which the boards are held by little beams. The technique is slightly different. And I will also show you how to use the nail puller, which has the advantage of being by far thinner than the racking bar. Let's go! So option 1 is to remove the boards one by one. And option 2 is to play with a spare pallet. So finally I'm putting the spare pallet below, and this is possible because the boards are not aligned on both sides. So here I have access to the one which is below. Et c'est pas mal. Now I'm doing the same everywhere where I can. Still one to go. There's still one accessible. Now I can put upside down the board, and it happens I have now access to 2 other boards. Okay, so I'm taking the nail puller for showing you. So here typically what you see here, it's going away easily because it's rather wet. And for the nail puller, the best is to put it more or less in between the nail from which you want to remove the board. And now we're doing the same with the rest of the pallet. So now we've dismantled the pallets with the cleats, and here best is to remove the nails straight away. And here, as these are big nails, I'm taking and it's getting out very easily because it's wet. So in case you have nails on both sides, the best is to start with the side where there are less nails, and then to make the other one, so that it can be stable on the ground. In reality here, you have already 4 cleats, rather solid, reasonable length, So that's the first benefit. We have here our kind of 4 beams. So here I could remove the nails very easily, so they're clean. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boards, so it's roughly maybe around 8 centimeters times 80. So in the overall, these two-way pallets are slightly more difficult to dismantle. Nevertheless, you have as a result 4 very nice little beams, of which the usage is extremely multiple. And I invite you now to join the third and last video of the little series, which is showing you how to remove the nails from the boards and how to pick them up. So see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.